If you go to any interview, the first question is tell me about yourself. Okay, introduce yourself. First, we will go with the Bhargav. Only in English. You tell me about yourself, Bhargav. Hello, Bhargav.
Yes, sir.
Tell me about yourself.
Good morning, sir. I am Bhargav Reddy. I am from Madanpalli. I have completed my BCA in Vignanamka Degree College. My hobbies are reading books, gathering information on browser.
On browser.
Yes, sir.
What is the browser? Internet.
Yes, sir. Through internet.
This is not gonna help. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This is, see how you should tell is, you should tell like, uh, I'll introduce myself. Tarun, you go ahead once. Tell me about yourself.
Yeah,
Tarun.
hello. Yeah,
Tell me.
am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible. Go ahead.
Yeah. First of all, thank you for this opportunity. My name is Tarun. I have completed my BTech graduation in Madanapalli Institute of Technology and Science, and currently I'm going to coaching center of computers of IT service desk, and I have done a project on heart disease prediction, and I have done an internship in KPMG of data assessment, data quality assessment, and I have learned techniques like computer networks and WAN and LAN and BitLocker, BSOD. These are the technologies I have learned in the coaching center.
See, you are keeping 6 months experience
Yeah,
in your resume, right? But you are telling like you are
yes,
taking coaching. You have work experience, right? Real time experience. 6 months. It's there in your resume.
okay. I'm sorry. I have currently working at Gritka Labs Private Limited of IT Service Desk. There I have learned about password reset and Active Directory and services now tools, and I'm currently working there. Yeah.
It should be continuous. Yeah, it's very good. Elaborate. This is way, Barco. Did you hear right? You have to tell like tell me about yourself means in that yourself only. You need to append what are all the technologies you know also. By seeing that your class questions will be based on that. So you have to tell like I have work experience in service now as well as uh, ticket initiation, ticket creation, as well as request creation, request resolve. All this I worked in password reset, password unlock. These technologies you know right, keywords those you should mention. So he will also get some broad scope, of, broad overview of yourself. So he will ask questions based on that. Cross questions mostly he will tell based on that only. So now I'll go to resume. I'll share resume. So we will ask what are the technologies and all. See, first of all, whose resume is this? Bargo. Okay, this is the resume. Okay, in this, in which field they will go means they will go to roles and responsibilities. Okay, these are the experiences, and you shouldn't tell like I have these technologies. You shouldn't mention at all. Tarun, for you only, I'm telling you shouldn't mention like
Yeah.
you have skills in Python and this computer science technologies and all. And again, he will cross question you, stating that
Yes, sir.
why can't you go to technical domain? Why are you coming to this
Yeah.
domain? That justification answer you should give. Okay,
Oh, yeah.
they will ask questions like that. Jobs, roles and responsibilities. Okay, see first, do you know how to install a Windows?
I don't know. I don't know.
It is there on the YouTube links I have given. Okay,
Okay.
in that links it is there how to install. That too you have to install and upgrade it. Only Windows 10, not Windows 7. Windows 7 also you should not tell. Windows 10 installation. There is a video step by step he will install. Okay, on VMware. You should have a knowledge on VMware. That is virtual machine where that will isolates one memory into two memories. If you create virtual machine for one hard disk 500 GB, 512 GB, then it will divide into 256 GB, 256 GB. That is isolated, completely isolated. Means whatever you are using processes, that won't interrupt in first hard disk, and first hard disk, whichever processes are working, those won't affect in a second. For that we will use VMware. Okay, in VMware, this will be there. This will be taken it. Windows 10 only package. Windows 10 you have to tell like it is an operating system. It is a complete package. We will install Windows 10. Windows 11 we don't install. There is no Windows 11. Windows 11 is an upgradation of Windows 10. You have to tell like that. To upgrade, how you will upgrade? Okay. That also there is a link. I shared in the group. Again, I'll share you to you, Tarun. Bhargav, did
Yeah.
you have gone through this installation of Windows 10?
Yes, sir.
How will you install? Explain me in step by step.
Sir, right now.
Imagine I'm a layman. I don't know anything. You have to explain me to understand that how can I install Windows 10 on my system. Go ahead. Hello, Bhargav.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go ahead. Don't see from the Google and tell, please. It's for your own sake. If you don't know also you
Yes,
admit
sir.
it, but if you know, that is well and good. If you make any mistakes, then I'll correct you. That's not an issue. But if you see the Google or chat GPT or AI tools, with that if you tell also it
No, sir.
doesn't.
No, sir.
See, you don't know also not a problem. See, this is a step by step installation will be there, only Windows 10. Okay, you need to learn and support and troubleshoot Windows OS. If there is any software issues, then you need to troubleshoot those issues. What sort of issues you will get in Windows OS? What is the biggest bottleneck? If you want to say, okay, bottleneck of the problem means that one problem that creates the hectic. That will be like that will because of that you can't do anything in OS. What is that problem, Bhargav?
Sir, I want to revise it for once.
See, if you people study it, learn it, and forget, it doesn't have any meaning. You people need to tell. Tarun, do you know?
About what, sir?
Uh, which in Windows operating system, which is the bottleneck of the problem? Which problem is the uh, it's like a bottleneck of the problem
Windows.
in Windows? Which problem? There will be problem software problems will come, right, in Windows OS.
Uh,
Which
uh-huh.
problem is the most hectic? Most, it's like a neck to neck bottleneck. Which problem?
motherboard issues like
That is in a hardware. Windows OS, I am telling about software. First and foremost, you people should remember is BSOD. In UAT scenarios, it is there, right? BSOD
yeah,
scenario.
BS,
Blue screen of
blue
death.
screen of okay,
That is the bottleneck. If blue screen of death comes, then you can't do anything. It will be like your entire monitor screen will shows like a blue screen. You can't do anything. At that time, what primary precaution you will take? If OS crashes completely, then only you will get blue screen of death. What precaution if you take to avoid it?
Sir, using BIOS,
BIOS.
or
No,
BIOS,
that is
reinstalling.
basic input output systems. What you will do with that? This is to what we need to build a best firewall. Okay, best firewall to identify the bugs and report us. So we will resolve those issues. So it won't happen. Nowadays it's not happening. That is happening for uh, XP, Windows 95 and all. That's for older versions. Nowadays that problem is not at all coming. Why? Because we have a firewall. We have a best firewall, Windows security firewall. So that is avoiding that problem. After that, so though it is not coming, but they will ask. So that is the bottleneck of the problem. What is the next thing? Next thing in operating systems, what sort of hardware issue? What is the bottleneck of the hardware issue? If people forgot, I'll tell you, no problem. Everybody will study and forgot, not a problem. See, if your hard disk crashes, in your hard disk there is like a bad sectors, some bad sectors. Then your entire data will go. Okay, that hard disk itself is uh, we need to replace new with new hard disk because the that is having bad sectors. So it has to, if it is a bad sector, then how will you how will you find out that whether that is a bad sector is there or not in your hard disk? What are the symptoms? First of all, what are the symptoms and how will you find out? If anyone knows, tell me. Otherwise also ask like skip the question, so I'll give the uh, solution. Bhargav,
Sir, using command prompt, we
uh,
have to check.
how
There
in,
will
in command prompt
there
what you
will
will,
be a code, sir.
what is that code? You tell me. You shouldn't tell like that in a raw format. You should tell like in detailed. That command only I'm expecting. I have given you extensive coaching for 1 week and you forgot. What is the purpose of that? You tell me. See, first, yeah, correct. You are right. We will go to command first, CMD, and can I go like run command, Bhargav? Can I go?
No, sir. Run as administrator.
Very good. At least you remember this. First, we need to go to command, then right click on that. After right click, run as a administrator. After administrator, there is a command. Which command you forgot? I'll tell you. Okay. Check disk. CHDSK.
CL, check this.
Okay. CHK.
CHK, DSK, sir.
DSK.
Yeah.
Correct. CHK DSK. I forgot one letter actually. See, this is progressing. This is scanning the entire hard disk and it will tell, see, 0 bad file, records processed as of now. And stage 2, it will go to stage 1, stage 2. Okay, stage 2 also it is scanning the entire sectors. If what are the symptoms to find out whether there is a bad sector, ma? Symptoms, see, ఇప్పుడు కరోనా వచ్చింది అనడానికి సిమ్టమ్స్ ఏంటి? అట్లా దీనికి కూడా కొన్ని సిమ్టమ్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఏం సిమ్టమ్స్ అవి? హౌ విల్ యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్? See here, 0 bad sector.
0 KB in bad sector.
Yeah, that means my hard disk is uh, doesn't have any problem. If it is like 1 KB, 2 KB means that much problem is there. So we need to replace the hard disk. What are the symptoms? If it got hard disk problem, how it will show its symptoms? It will shut down without, it will restart without any, continuously it restarts, it will shut down, restarts without any manual intervention. Without we are shutdowning it, it only it will shut down, it will restart again, it will reboot again. These things are happening means there is a bad sector. That is the symptoms. Okay. Okay. Okay, how to find out our systems our systems address? See, for which command is used to find out my system address?
Netcat.
Huh?
Netcat, sir.
Netcat. What is that? I didn't even heard it.
NETCAT.
Huh?
Oh,
Spell it.
NET.
N-
Sorry. IW config.
I
W config. CONFIG.
config. Okay, I entered it. It is showing not recognized. You knew it, but you made some mistake. IP config, not IW config. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, IP config. See, this is my system address. There are two addresses will be there. One is IPv4 address and IPv6 address. IPv4 address, with this we can address the systems. So many, how many systems we can address? 256, 255 factorial into 255 factorial into 255 factorial into 255. These many systems we can connect with the IPv4. That is exhausted now. More than that systems. For each and mobile or PDA or tablet or phone, for each and every electronic device which is connecting to the internet, it have its own unique address. Okay, from the uh, internet. So in that too, we will use only few classes we will use for different thing. How many IP addresses are, how many IP addresses? Is this which IP address falls? This will falls under which IP address? Which class?
Network address.
Which class it is? Class C.
I
See, you
don't
need to
know,
go.
sir.
Huh?
I forgot it, sir. I
See, class A starts
Class-
from 10001 to 127.0.0. Okay. Class B starts from
Okay.
128.0.01 to 191.255.250. And class C starts from 192.0.0 to 223, 255.255.0. Here it is 192.168.0.119. So this is will fall under class C. All general purpose systems will fall for class C only. You need to remember only one thing. Class C only you remember. Again, class D, class E is also there. Class D is for multicasting. Class E is for research and development. Okay, you have to remember only this.
Okay, sir.
See, this is 32-bit. This address, see, 8-bit characters these are. Okay, 0 to 255. So 0 to 255 will accommodate how many combinations? 256 combinations. So 8-bit. 2 power 8 is 256, isn't it? So
Yes,
again,
sir.
this is 32-bit. 4, 8, 16, 24, 32-bit. See, this is 128-bit. IPv6. Don't remember this ranges and all. This is very complex. Okay, we will convert from IPv4 to IPv6 because there are like more than, see, around this is 4.6 billion devices it can connect. 4.6 billion devices. More than that means we need to go for IPv6. Both numbers will be given. If it is exhausted, then it will go to this address. Nowadays, currently we are in IPv4. We will go to IPv6. Link local. Okay, you remember this. And okay, and where is, I'm talking about resume, right? Okay, resume. Okay, authorized desktop applications, hardware and peripheral equipment. Okay, see, if I want to go to peripherals, then which command I need to use, Bhargav? Which command I need to use to go for peripherals? You need to remember Windows plus R, it will go to run mg mt dot msc. Dev mgmt, I forgot dev. Hmm. Device manager. Okay, remember this command dev dev mgmt dot msc, dev management dot msc. You need to go to device manager. Here you will get all peripherals. Okay, ports, printers, network, keyboard, everything, each and everything will be there. So here, if there is anything, anything is missing, then you need to install that by going into the respected websites. That's
So
it. Hmm?
it's about driver issues, right?
Yes,
Okay.
these are keyboard is peripheral, right?
If
Mice
there
is,
is an issue, we can if there is an issue, we can update here and we can use it later, right?
yes, you're right.
Okay.
Okay, provide end user support via telephone, email, or remote assistance. See, telephone means voice call. Email or chat means, what is that is that is a chat process.
Purpose.
Okay.
Yeah.
Email also you can email once, step by step, so he will troubleshoot himself. In a chat means you will go, he will ask one question, you will give him that answer. Again he will ask like that, you will go till resolution is accomplished. Remote assistance means he is not in the company, he is from work from home. For him also you can see, for office means there is a LAN connection will be there. Through LAN you can connect and you can give assistance. That is called localized. If it is remote means he is from work from home. Okay, at that time also you can give remote. For example, which tool we will use for password reset?
Active Directory.
Very good. Active Directory. So that we can give either for localized or as remote also. Okay. And desk
Yeah.
side or remote support engineer providing technical support for internal users. Expertise in providing technical support for this many people we have ఇంతమందికి చేసామని చెప్తున్నాం అంతే ఇక్కడ. And an average 50 calls per day. Transfer this. Okay. And we need to go to transfer, accept, and work on incidents. What is the difference between incident and a service request? What is the difference between incident and a service request?
Service request means if there is any issue for the client, he will inform to the uh, he, like, he will inform to the
Go ahead.
Technical support. He will inform to the technical support who is working there, and he will have the access of resetting the password. So he'll try to reset the password.
No. I think I don't know. Somewhere you might have learned this, but that is not true. Service request means
Service request.
request means
Services now, right?
yeah, in service now tool only. In service now two will be there. Service request will be there. Service incident also will be there. We will call if a employee coming, okay, if a employee coming for the first time, that will falls under service request. Those are all fresh calls will be service request. Again, after 1 week, again he comes, that will comes under incident. That's it. There is no much difference. Okay. That is called ticket opens by the customers. Handle user administrative task like user ID creation, password reset. Okay, user ID creation. User ID creation means what? For each and every user, there will be unique numbers and all that we will create and password reset. Identify, troubleshoot a variety of technical issues, including PC configuration, password resets, printers, scanners. See, printers and scanners also. There is a material on the YouTube. I have shared the link. Please go through once. Troubleshooting desktop issues. Okay.
Where will you create the user ID?
User ID. In service now only.
Where will you create the user ID?
Your net is fluctuating, Tarun.
But password reset it is in
Active Directory. Hello.
yeah.
Password reset is in Active Directory.
User ID creation is in
Service
services now.
Service now.
Okay.
See, network printers, they will ask very important. Network printers means there are 100 systems. Only 5 printers are there. How they will be connected to the network and access the resources? We can give printer from any computer and it will print should come from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 systems. From first computer, second computer, third computer. How come those printers will know that? Okay, they has to be configured. That configuration you should know. Scanners, VPN. What do you know about VPN?
The virtual private network, we can access the whatever we are in India. If any application is not available, we can use another country's user IDs, and we can access that application.
Yeah, there will be a proxy also. That is correct. See, that's it. LAN access. Okay. Troubleshooting desktop issues, user related issues. Okay, this will be there. Support necessary on 24/7 basis to limit system down during the internal or external outages. Okay. System down. Sorry, I got to call. Wait.
Incoming call.
Uh, these are all like expensive. Windows 7 troubleshooting. Windows 7 don't put. You remove this. Okay. Windows and Bhargav. In your resume, you remove this. Okay. Hello.
Okay, sir.
And okay,
Okay, sir.
I kept just now new companies. Those companies only you put payroll companies. Okay.
Okay, sir.
See, in this there is nothing. See, this is how interview. Most of them we have discussed now. What we will do is we will go for it is uh, meeting time is getting over. I'll disconnect and we will connect again. Okay, for the same link only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
What we need to discuss means see advanced IT service desk. Welcome to future. This is the thing. In this first point of contact, defining IT service desk means first point of contact. First to call we will get to IT service desk associate only will get the call first. Incident management. Okay. See, IT service desk is the central point where users are go for help with technical issues and IT related issues. These issues you are resolving. Incident management. It handles the incidents which are disruptions in the IT services. Okay. Ensuring swift means fast resolution and minimal impact on users. That time we shouldn't waste. See here for that what will happen means there will be like SLA will be there. What is meant by SLA? Service level agreement. See for P1, P2, P3, three types of calls will be there. Three types of service level agreement. P1 means okay emergency. For example, priority one, highest priority. In that 10 or more systems are affecting at a time. So it has to be completed within 8 hours. Okay. Sorry, 4 hours. Again, P2, priority 2. In this, only 2 or 3 people are facing the issue. At that time, we need to resolve that issue as soon as possible within 8 hours. And uh, only small issues are there, uh, like what kind of issues are there? For example, Outlook is getting slow. That is not that much risk, that much complicated issue. So we can, what we can do is we can resolve that in 48 hours. Okay. These are the incidents. And request fulfillment, knowledge based. Evolving. IT service desk is evolving, reactive to proactive. Okay. Shifting from merely responding users to predicting and preventing problems before they occur. See, this much it is evolving. In this, artificial intelligence is coming. See, chat process is there, right? Chat process and email process. Those will take care by chatbots. You need to write the. You need to take the prototype of the chatbot and you need to use it to your system. That's it. Once you keep that is, it will take care of step by step. If you give it to SOPs to it, so it will fetch the SOP and give it to the user step by step. That what we will do. That will do same. If still that cannot do it, then only we can do it. So jobs will be reducing very much high because of these things. Artificial intelligence. See, shifting from merely responding to issues. Okay, here what we are doing is we are predicting issue if it is coming by seeing symptoms and we are preventing the problem before they occur. That is the best thing. Okay, we will connect again. Please do connect again.
Yeah.